I will build a great wall on our southern border, and I will have Mexico pay for that wall. Mark my words. Hold up, I fuck with Mexicans, got a plug with Mexicans, want a little bit of switch, who I call Mexican. Common sense, your ass nigga come be the president. Hold up, nigga, tell the world how you fuck with Mexicans. Wanna be the USA without Mexicans, and if it's time to team up, shit, let's begin. Black love, burn pride, and necessity. White people feel the same as my next kid. You let this nigga win, God bless the kids. God bless the kids, this nigga wicked and weird. When me and Nibble ain't that's Bloods and Crips. When your LA rally, we gon' crash your shit. Fuck Donald Trump. Fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, nigga, fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, nigga, fuck Donald Trump. Yeah. I am the gladiator powerful. I am a weapon for bones to bone and muscle back and black flesh. The discipline of a soldier, but I've been trained by vets. There'll be no sympathizing on this battlefield. No hesitation with my attack. If we end up in the same arena, death to the end will duel, striving in life so I can remain in this fight. Every day I peer out my cage, thinking of the war I'm about to engage in. So far I've survived this game for the kings. But in the depths of my mind, I've come to realize I'm breathing to die and I'm dying to breathe. When will the day come that I'm removed from my feet? And like all of my opponents, I'm forced to kneel to this king. Whenever it does, I won't bear remorse in my eyes. There'll only be hate for my captors and hope of revenge in a spiritual life. I bear no resemblance to any fighting you've ever seen. I've been built like stone from within. My courage is of a lion. I possess the speed of a cheetah. And in the darkest shadows of the night, I'll shine like armor when the morning dawn casts its light. I am the most powerful gladiator this world will ever know. When the dust starts to rise and these spectators cheer, I'll swing my mace above my head. Swords will be as sharp as they can possibly be. Spears will be set ready to throw. War will be shared that moment the king stands and says, gladiator, go.
Spartans! What is your profession?
Perhaps you should have a war tomorrow when you'll get arrested. I should have you whipped for your impudence. Perhaps you should fight him. Achilles. Achilles. Look at the men's faces. You can save hundreds of them. You can end this war with a swing of your sword. And then get home to their wives. Imagine a king who fights his own battles. Wouldn't that be a sight? Of all the warlords loved by the gods, I hate him the most.
Is there no one else? Is there no one else? Who are you, soldier?
Achilles, son of Peleus.
Achilles. I'll remember the name.
The ruler of
Thessaly carries this scepter.